Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really fun one. I'm going to be showing you 2 party hairstyle looks with Aveda. So thank you so much to Aveda for sponsoring this video. They also had me go in for an Aveda experience, and you guys, it was the most luxurious experience I've ever had at a salon. I got my first blowout. I had never had a blowout in a salon before, and they showed me more about the products and they were so knowledgeable. I had mine done by Amy here in Evansville, so I will put all of her info down below so you guys can check it out too, because seriously, they gave me a hand massage, a neck massage, a blowout, and it was like the perfect little getaway because as a mom, I'm super busy. So going in for a blowout at Aveda, it was like a little mini vacation, and they treated me so well and they told me every single step they were doing and all of the different products that they were putting in my hair. She broke it down and told me all the amazing things that Aveda put into it and how it's going to actually help my hair. So of course I am going to be using Aveda products to achieve my looks, and you guys, these products are amazing. There's nothing artificial in them. There's no fragrances. There's no synthetic products in here, and good for your hair. So not only is it going to perform, but it's going to help your hair just be better overall by using these products. So I've really fallen in love with them. I'll also talk about them as I'm using them in the tutorial. So if you'd like to see how to get these 2 looks, and also stick around for a giveaway, I will have all of the info down in the description box as well as all of these products. Then just go ahead and keep on watching. So to really help our style last, I started when my hair was damp, and I added these 2 products to my hair before I did my blowout. And the first one is the Thickening Tonic, and I love this. If you have fine hair or you just really want big hair and your hair to really last and hold a style, you have to give this a try. It thickens the hair instantly, and it helps to expand strands from root to the end, so it really holds that style. And then I also use the Texture Tonic. And just like all of Aveda's amazing products, these are naturally derived. So the Texture Tonic really helps to keep the look really piecey and texturized while making your hair feel so soft and giving you that thermal heat protectant. So I added those 2 in my hair when it was damp and did my blowout, and then this is what it looked like afterwards. My hair is just super soft, and I know it's going to hold the style that I'm going to put in it. At the end of the tutorial, I am going to be adding a beautiful red lip to this look. I feel like it's just a showstopper, but for now, I'm just going to add my Feed My Lips lip treatment because it keeps my lips so soft, and it's perfect before you do your lipstick application. And now we are going to start on our hair. Curling it is super simple, you guys. I am just taking small sections and curling away from my face with a flat iron. You want to make sure that your flat iron does have a rounded edge, and I am curling everything, like I said, away from my face, but I am keeping the edges out so we have that nice piecey look. And I do kind of run my fingers through as I'm curling just to make sure that everything is nicely separated. Once I get to the top 2 layers of my hair, I kind of switch up my process. So I do my curl the same way I did earlier, but then I take the straightener and I do just a little bend closer to the root, and I feel like this just helps to give a lot more body and keep your hair looking really piecey. It just gives a little bit more dimension to the hair. So run the straightener down and do your curl, and then go back up towards the root and just do like a little half twist, and you will be amazed at all of the extra volume that you get. For that very top section, I am just doing a very far part. You can go whichever side you feel more comfortable with. I have a cowlick, so mine has to go on the left side, but I just brought it over further than I usually do. And then I'm going to repeat the curling process here. This is the same way that we did the last section. So doing a curl, leaving the ends out, and then coming up to the root and giving a little twist for more texture. Finishing up those last couple curls, and then it's time to really shake these out and get some more texture going. With the front pieces, I like to really take my time here to make sure that everything is nicely curled and I don't have any pieces that are like straying away, just because it is a little bit further than I usually wear my part. So now we're going in with Shampure. This is their dry shampoo, and you guys, I am obsessed with this. This is a non-aerosol dry shampoo. So you just squeeze the little bottle and it comes out. And I love this because I love having more grit to my hair. I feel like my style just holds a lot better that way. But especially if you have more fine hair, this is so great. If you haven't tried using dry shampoo for more texture in your hair, you've got to try it. And let's be real, I only wash my hair a couple times a week, so this really saves me. And I am just doing this throughout the top couple sections of my hair, just picking up pieces and then squeezing a little amount in there and just rubbing it in with my fingertips. You don't have to do anything crazy here, just rub it in and you'll instantly see a little bit more volume. So now I'm just taking a really fine comb and combing down the side that we're going to pin back and adding a little bit of hairspray, and then I'll go back in and comb it one more time. You really want to make sure that this side is really sleek. And then we're going to add in the pins. And if you don't want to do like embellished pins, you could totally just do contrasting bobby pins. I have black hair, so I've used gold bobby pins or blonde bobby pins, and it looks really cute as well. Now that we have the clips in, it is time to start teasing, and you don't have to do very much, especially because we have that dry shampoo. It just really helps to hold a tease very well. So I am just doing a little bit of a tease around my crown and then also along the part that I have my hair on. It just helps to give a lot more volume. And you can see I'm not doing anything really rough here or doing a ton of teasing. I'm literally just doing the tiniest amount, and it's staying and my hair is holding its shape because of the products that I'm using. Now, to make sure that our style lasts all night, I am setting everything with my air control hairspray. You guys, I love this stuff. It sprays out dry whenever you are spraying it onto your hair, which is so awesome. I hate those hairsprays where you spray it and then your hair is wet and crunchy. Like, I don't think anybody is looking for that. This sprays dry, and then it also holds my style without leaving my hair feeling heavy or crunchy. So I really love this. I am spraying upwards into my hair so I can keep that nice definition. Then, like I said, we're finishing it off with a perfect red lip. Using the shade Cana in the Feed My Lips Nourishing Lipstick. You guys, I love this formula. It goes on super smooth and it lasted all day long. So top it off with your perfect red lip and your look is complete. I hope you guys love this look, and on to look number 2. So look number 2 is this boho inspired updo. You guys, I am obsessed with this. I knew it was going to be a little bit of a challenge to figure out how to do an updo with such short hair because I do have a lob, but it's really, really short, like the bottom layer is like right here. So that was a little bit tricky. We figured it out, but you could do this look even if you have longer hair as well. It would be perfect because it gives you a little bit more volume in the bottom. And I think this is just perfect. It's perfect for a party, but it's also perfect for like wedding hair. If you're going to a wedding, if you're going to be a bridesmaid and you need to do your own hair, I feel like it's just timeless and it just looks really soft and feminine. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm starting out with curls that I had earlier in the day. This would be perfect for second day hair or third day hair because we are going in with the dry shampoo, and this is going to help absorb any oil and also give us more texture for our updo. But don't worry about curling your hair for this hairstyle. Just work with what you got. It'll be fine, especially because it's a boho look. It almost works better. So I am just teasing around the back of my hair and a little bit on the sides for some volume before we go ahead and start pinning it back. So because I do have shorter hair, we're going to work in sections, and I'm just parting with my fingers here, and I started about an inch back from my hairline because I do want those pieces to frame my face, and I'm just bringing it down into kind of a low half up, half down hairstyle, and you can kind of be as generous as you want with the pieces in the front. I like a lot. You don't have to do that many, so it's really up to you here. And then I am just going to secure all of that with a little rubber band in the back. Now that I have that pulled taut, I am just going to hold the base of my little ponytail in the back and start pulling out little pieces. This is going to give us more texture, just make it look a little bit more romantic in my opinion. I love having these little pieces pulled out, and it just looks a little bit more effortless as well. So I've turned around so I can show you from the back. I am splitting that little ponytail in half, and then I'm going to split that in half one more time and then just twist these around each other, because my hair has so many different layers that if I just did one little bun, then it would be tiny, and this is going to give us more volume and it's going to be a little bit more piecey. So I am just kind of tugging at this, making it a little bit thicker, and then I wrapped it around the top of the ponytail, and I'm just securing this with some bobby pins. And of course, doing that with the rest of the hair in the little ponytail, just twisting it around itself, and then I went around the base of the little pony, and then I am going to secure that with some bobby pins as well. And you will see you're going to have little pieces that stick out. It's just keep a little mirror handy so that you can see and kind of adjust as you go. But I really like the other pieces sticking out. I feel like it just kind of adds to the boho look. Now for the very bottom section that we have left, I am doing the same process. So I am just going to secure that with an elastic, but I'm going to kind of pull on that to get a little bit of slack, and I'm going to be doing a topsy tail here. I'm not sure if everyone else grew up knowing it as that, but that's how I know it. So I split the hair down the middle, and then I'm going to grab it and pull it through the top. Then I'm just going to give it a nice pull right here so I can get it nice and secure and close to my scalp. And then I'm going to do the same process, so splitting that in half, and then I'm just going to twist those pieces around the bun that we already have. And just secure the rest of those pieces with your bobby pins, and the back of your hair is done. Like I said, keep a little mirror handy so that you can keep checking and see if there's anything that you want to adjust, or if you have any pieces that are sticking out a little bit too much. But like I said in the beginning, I like having those little pieces sticking out. I feel like it kind of just aids in the look. So I'm just going to set all of that with a little bit of air control, and then we'll do the front. So as far as the bangs, I am just taking my straightener through them and doing smaller sections. I'm doing really, really small sections because I want these curls to stay separated instead of being just one big curl around my face. So just taking little pieces and doing some different curls on them on both sides. And then we're going to just give them a little bit of a tease so that they can have more texture and stay nice and separated. A little trick that I've picked up with trying to wear a middle part when you have a cowlick is to take your very front pieces on both sides, bring them together, and just do a little bit of back combing. And I feel like it just helps to keep that middle part without having my cowlick separate. So if you have that problem, maybe try that little trick and it'll help you too. So then I'm just taking my comb and combing up from the bottom to give those little pieces around my face more volume to really help frame the look. Setting all of that with a little bit of air control, and then touching up my lips with my beautiful Cana lipstick. You guys, the more I wear this, the more I love it. And then that look is complete. That wraps up my 2 looks with Aveda. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Aveda for sponsoring this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed them and found them helpful. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to also check out the description bar. Like I said, there is going to be a giveaway Also, all of the products that I used from Aveda, as well as the Aveda here in Evansville, all of that information, all the products I used, information to their website, all of that will be down in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.